In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious apple salad. What you will need a couple of juicy apples. That kind of apples? You also might want to use that kind of apples. You also might want to use different vegetables and fruits. It doesn't really matter. The key thing in that kind of salad, when you use this kind of apples, is that you remove all the pictures you stored over here before you cut the phone. Because you don't want to cut your mother, father, brother, dog, cat, girlfriend, wife, whoever you got stored on the pictures on these devices. You don't want to cut their head off, right? Yeah! Yeah! The pictures, and then follow the simple steps. You will just need to cut everything in half, then another time in half, then another time in half, in the very, very slow pieces, okay? And then you add the other components, then you mix everything up, and then you will just and then you will just eat it. Happy Easter! Enjoy!